As recent as this morning, two stolen motor cars were recovered in the Zone 3 area of the Donny Park space. One person was held in that operation. We also recovered another firearm earlier this morning at 1 a.m. in the Zone 1, which is off Spanish Town Road area. One man was held with that incident. And so we continue our operations. I want to commend the officers who are on the ground, particularly in this space, as you see, where we're on top of the roof. And that's where men fire at the police or the security forces in the operations.
Not that particular roof.
Not that particular roof, but the men use the roofs throughout the night. They move from roof to roof. And so the officers have to rely heavily on their training and their tactical maneuver in order to be able to be the victors in these fight against the criminals. Over the last couple of weeks, we would have recovered 3 firearms in this area, and we are continuing our search for other firearms in the Seaview Gardens area. One person was arrested and charged for one of the firearms, and investigations continue regarding the other 2 incidents.